Happy New Year. I hope it's a happy one. Welcome back. Welcome to Spill the Sass. Like you spill the beans, I spill the sass. So I am Dolly Singh. For those of you who are new here, I hope there are new people around. I don't even know. Today I'm going to do a very. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Basically, I know I'm talking to a camera right now, but मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं आऊँ थोड़ी बातचीत करूँ also because this is the first video of 2022. I'm trying to be more of an activity person, if you can call that my New Year resolution, but it's been going on for a while. Basically, I want to try new things, I want to, have fun, do things which just bring me joy. I don't have to be the best at it. I just don't do things which don't give me money or which don't give me success or stuff like that. I think a lot of us do that. I'll tell you what I'm doing. Basically, I've seen, and I'm sure you have seen, a bunch of videos if you follow that kind of stuff, where people turn their vases, glass vases or brass vases, into clay-like texture, like mud-like texture, or like mitti ke bane hue basically. Like for example, I have this here. This is something I bought, but like the texture on this one is so good. Like it's so real and raw, and it's like it's coming off from somewhere, and like I like that. I like it to feel a little like imperfect in that sense. And then I had ordered this beautiful vase with the boobies on it, and I really like it. But I feel like the texture it's very smooth. Like I don't like it so much, just the texture, and I feel like we can also maybe change its color. It's my new thing, okay? Call it my midlife crisis or whatever. But I've been trying to collect vases, like small, big, cheap, expensive. Expensive itne nahi liye वैसे, but I'm trying to have a collection of vases. Like I want to be that lady, जिसके घर तुम जाओ और उसके पास इतने सारे vases ही vases लगे हुए हैं. So I want to be that person. I also have this glass bottle because I think this DIY works best for glass. So we're gonna try that. I tried getting off the sticker, but it didn't come off so much. So I have a little bit of sandpaper with me, and we'll see if that helps. The sandpaper noise is. पहली बात तो I had baking soda lying around, and मुझे लगा baking soda चाहिए होता है, but it was baking powder, which delayed this video by half an hour. I think the more baking powder, the more the texture will come. So if you want the texture to be very light and halka fulka clay-like, then go for like 1/4. If you want it very very like mitti jaisa, एकदम clay, एकदम वैसी वाली vibe, a lot of texture to feel on the surface, then I think you should go for a half. So I think we'll try all, both, whatever. Have acrylic colors with me. It said we need to have water-based colors, not oil-based. So these are water-based. Let's hope they work. I'll take my first question. First question is from Diksha. She's asking, where have you been? You okay? Thank you for the concern. I am okay. I've been okay-ish for a while. I don't know if 2021 was my year at all. I dislocated my leg, मतलब टांग तोड़ ली, और फिर उसके साथ जो trauma हुआ वो अलग. Mental, physical, I couldn't walk for like a month and a half. Like because of that, I lost a lot of work. I lost, I would say, kind of my zeal to work. But I have been okay. I've been taking therapy, that helped. I am trying to get back to work. I feel like with content creation also, I had a bit of a face-to-face, like a confrontation, if you may say, because I felt like at some point I was giving up on it, in the sense that मेरे को मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है content creation करके. Because the algorithms are so different now. It's all about like the trends and the 30-second reels, and shorts and all of that, which is great. Like I feel like I enjoy making them sometimes because I take them as a challenge and I'm like, yeah, I need to see if I can put this thought in like 30 seconds, you know, in like a minute. So that's okay. But not all content can be summarized into just a minute, right? So I like to watch long form content. I like to make long form content, and I felt like बीच में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा भटक गई थी and I was just like, do I know what I'm doing? I seriously don't know what I'm doing. Wow. But yeah, I've been okay. I feel like Ross when he says, I'm fine. But no, I'm okay. I am doing better for sure. I know that a lot of people are like, why aren't you making content anymore? You're not funny anymore. And I guess maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not as funny anymore. Maybe I've seen life. But, oh, I need water. I'll get that. But I feel like I want to make content which makes me happy. You know, I don't want to zabardasti make content. Which is coming from a lot of privilege that I have. So I guess it was okay for me to take a break for a month or two and really think it through, and I have. And I really want to come back and I really want to do fun things. I want to do definitely more videos like these. I definitely want to come back with my funny videos and do more of them. But I also want to really write a lot more and kind of, you know, like make longer, bigger things. I don't know what all that entails, but like really go for it. You know what I mean? And really wanna kill it. But we'll see. Okay? But I'm okay. I think I've said it like 100 times. I'll get water. And I feel like मैंने ज़्यादा डाल दिया. But oh, it's oh, it's become so frothy. Is it supposed to? I think I'm supposed to put water very slowly. I think I fucked up. Oh my god, ew. Give me a minute, I'll fix this. Okay, I found a solution. I don't know what I did. I'll tell you what I did though. I used these colors. The bigger tube and like a big box because इनको मैंने mix करके pink बनाया. I feel like they work better because they don't need too much water to dissolve them. These do because ये और ही ज़्यादा concentrated or compact होते हैं. So I feel like too much water basically is making the baking soda, baking powder, what do you say? What was it? Bubbly. Or maybe I mixed too much too suddenly. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I think we've got some kind of mixture which I like. This concentration. मैंने पानी भी थोड़ा हल्के हल्के मिलाया. मुझे थोड़ा सा पानी मिलाना पड़ा because सिर्फ color or baking powder was like really solid. So I mixed a little bit of water, but I went with little जैसे आटा गूंथते वक्त डालते हैं ना थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. How to improve relationship with typical conservative Indian parents? Any tips from you? Okay, let's also start painting. Any tips? Ooh. Any tips would be. I feel like मैं अपनी उससे बता सकती हूँ. I feel like मैं पहले बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा करती थी for a lot of things, and that didn't help. What I needed or what happened with me, I'll tell you. When I used to live there, I used to fight a lot. I used to fight with my mother a lot, my mom and I were not like what we are now. Okay, हम बहुत लड़ते थे, हम हफ्ते हफ्ते बात नहीं करते थे एक दूसरे से. But once I moved out to when I came to Delhi, I think that really helped put a lot of things in perspective. First, how much your parents work, you know, how much they struggle to just give you the life that you have. You don't see it when you're living it. Once you're out of it, you're like, and if you start earning on your own or living on your own, it's just like, huh? ये सब मम्मी पापा तो बड़ा easy, इनका तो बड़ा easy दिखता था यार. So I think that helps. I think after an age, and I mean the sooner the better, but you also realize that your parents are people and they're not just parents. They can be wrong. They can also like make mistakes, like, you know, ज़बरदस्ती I feel like उन पे blame करके भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. So I feel like that gave me a lot of perspective in terms of where my parents and their thinking was coming from, you know, and that helped me a lot. I think उसके बाद से बस मेरे हिसाब से ये easy ज़रूर हो गया कि मैं बात कर लेती हूँ उनसे थोड़ी, चाहे अभी भी मैं गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ बहुत बार and my parents get really afraid of me. पहले मैं ना बहुत लड़ते लड़ते बात करती थी और ऐसे बात करती थी जैसे मैं अज्यूम कर लेती थी उनको पता होना चाहिए सब, they should just know. But they don't just know. You need to sometimes tell them and sit them down. And yeah, there are a lot of things that I still can't talk about at home, but I'll get there. It's okay. Like I'm taking it as a process. I don't want to. I feel like a lot of times we just want to change our parents in like a day, you know. And I feel like that's not how it works. Give them time. Treat them as people. Don't try to think and assume that they should know everything. So yeah. Hey, I'm loving this texture, by the way. Let me just quickly finish this before I answer another question. Different types of nipples. Have you ever felt like your nipples or your boobs are not right? Man, I've felt that so much. I mean, especially because first of all, my boobs used to be so, they were not there basically, and people used to call me flat screen and I don't know what not. मतलब मेरे को बहुत insecure भी होता था, to be honest. But फिर एक टाइम के बाद ना मैं थोड़ा chill भी हो गई थी because I realized that a lot of like what made me feel better was looking at models and you know people in the industry, because a lot of them used to have small boobs and they used to fucking flaunt it, and I was like, man, okay, maybe I'll flaunt them. I didn't really flaunt them, but I got used to them, kind of. And I think that's okay, you know. And then obviously I read about these things. I saw so many movies and you know shows, and I saw, man, fucking women have all kinds of boobs, and they're all just as amazing. Of course, each one of us have issues with our own. We can talk about that in at length later. But but I feel like they're all so good. And same goes for fucking vaginas, man. मुझे तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता था, मैन लाइक मेरी वजाइना तो बहुत अलग होगी यार, सबसे अलग होगी. And then you watch porn and stuff and you watch those very nicely shaved vaginas which are just like Barbie dolls, and you're like, what the fuck, dude, am I like abnormal or what? And you don't know how to share it with your parents. And my parents were like really, like my mom is so shy, she doesn't talk about any of these things. So I have grown up in a family where we just don't talk about anything, let alone your fucking vagina and boobs. I remember this one time I had freaked out, and this is like initially, you know, once you start getting your period and stuff, I had freaked out about how I was getting a white discharge, and I didn't know it was normal. किसी ने बताया ही नहीं. And I was so fucking scared about it. And remember I took my mom, we were going to the doctor for some reason, and I thought this is a great opportunity for me to tell my mom somehow, because then she can just show it to a doctor or something. I was freaking out and I had googled it, and obviously it said cancer, so so I somehow mustered this courage, okay, on the way to the hospital. I was like, mommy, नीचे से कुछ white निकलता रहता है. And my mom was like, हाँ होता रहता है वो, बस छोड़ो. That was her way of chumming it, which is so awkward. But yeah, I mean, someone needs to fucking talk to us, man, about these things when we grow up. The back looks stunning. The front, let me show you. The front is not so great. What were your thoughts about your future when you were a teenager, and how did you plan that? This I have had a very recent realization, and thanks to Tapsi actually. She said it in some interview where she was talking about how, as women, most of us when we grow up, we don't. Oh, I need more white. We don't really think about our future so much. मतलब एक age तक तुम सोचते हो. For me, that age was 24. Because मुझे लगा उसके बाद तो मतलब शादी हो जानी है. I also come from a family where you get married very जल्दी, and you know हो जाता है. And most of my family lives in the village, so the thinking and the lifestyle is kind of like that, okay. And so I always kind of assumed, I was like, हाँ मेरी भी हो ही जाएगी, you know, how much am I gonna fight it? And obviously I never thought what life will turn into. So I was ambitious, but I kind of restricted myself in terms of dreams and all, and I always thought कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है, but 24 से पहले पहले कर लेना है. And I just realized that day after Tapsi said that thing that I remember not really dreaming about my um, like old age or after marriage. Like वो सोचा ही नहीं कभी, क्योंकि ऐसा लगता था कि उसके बाद तो life खत्म है. Also because in our lives we have seen marriage to be a kind of like restricting. You don't, especially as women, we don't feel that marriage is gonna help. We feel like we will be restricted and we will be controlled and we'll have to look after a family, and we'll have to do the conventional things, and not that that means uh, losing things. I mean, there's so many women who manage everything together and all of that, but I'm just saying that it's just sad how I never thought about my life after that age, because I just was like, हाँ उसके बाद तो शादी करवा देंगे, उसके बाद क्या करना है. So, so yeah, so I didn't have like many big dreams or anything as a teenager or anything. I was so insecure in my body and all of that. I was like, हाँ शादी हो जाएगी शायद, हो सके तो प्लीज़ लव मैरिज हो जाए, ताकि कम से कम पता तो हो कि वो बंदा कौन है, बट उसके भी चांसेस बहुत कम है बिकॉज फैमिली में कोई नहीं करता, you know. Okay, can I tell you my dreams now? Let me tell you that. I wanna act more. Definitely wanna try more of acting. I really want to write more, and that, like I said, includes bigger things like like a movie or a short film or a show, um, or maybe even direct. I really like being behind the camera. I really do. So I like what I see. Okay, I'll show you guys here. I'll take a close-up shot of this. Oh, the front is so, it's looking so bad from the bottom. I didn't cover it well. Are you a feminist? Duh. Are you not? Let it dry. Next question that I saw was how to deal with fake friends. A lot of people had messaged me about like they're going through like friendship breakups and they don't, and they feel a little left out in their groups, all of that. Been there, done that. I think we all do at some point. Okay, so I'll just tell you what I'm also gonna do next. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna sand the, वैसे तो ये निकल जाता है, मैंने ना अच्छे से किया नहीं, but I'm sure there's a lot of ways to get these labels out properly from your glass bottles and stuff, so you can do that. Don't be like me, please. This is in no way, I'm not teaching you anything in any way, okay? But I want to get this kind of texture, like the terracotta kind of texture with it. Also मैंने देखा था कि glass पे थोड़ा सा ये sandpaper कर लेना चाहिए, again because glass is too smooth, so the paint can like come off. So for it to stick properly, थोड़ा सा texture देना जरूरी है. I've had my fair share of heartbreaks with friends. A lot of my best friends have left, and I think that's just how life is. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि fake friends के साथ होने से अच्छा, like people who you know are fake, people who you like, friends who say they're friends but like act otherwise. I feel like a lot of times just the vibe is enough, like how they make you feel. If you feel uncomfortable, insecure, judged in their company, they're not the best people. Not saying that you should leave right away. There's always communication that helps. A lot of with my friendships now, we try to talk about things. We try to talk about what we've been feeling. कई बार, especially me, I am someone who bottles up emotions like anything. Okay, I'm not the best in terms of communication. So one second. I think communication always helps. If you feel like your friends are not treating you well or making you uncomfortable, it's very important to tell them. A lot of times your friends also body shame you and stuff. मेरी बहुत बार लड़ाई हुई है. I remember there was this friend in college and he kept calling me a hanger. Hanger, oi, hanger, like this. And a lot of times people have called me like sensitive, और तो यार तू बड़ी जल्दी बुरा मान जाती है, यार तू बहुत overreact करती है. And even I used to feel like that उस time पे when they used to make me talk, tell me things like this कि हाँ यार शायद मैंने overreact कर दिया. But in the later stage of my life now, I've started to accept it. It's okay. If it makes me uncomfortable, I might react like I'm a human being. And it totally depends on what your situation with your friends is. But if also a lot of times I think people don't want to be alone, which I think it's not that bad. I've been alone a lot in my life, and I'll tell you, it's so much better than being with the wrong people. Whether it's friends, whether it's a relationship, um, I would much rather be alone than with people who make me feel bad about myself. It's very simple. Trust me, I know this hurts and this is so easy to say. And I know being alone is not always the easiest because you see around and social media and like everybody has friends and they go to parties and they do things and they do activities and they make reels together. And you're like, oh my god, why do I not have 10 friends? First of all, be having 10 friends, ridiculous. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मैं ना बहुत बकवास कर रही हूँ. I judge myself a lot, I think. See, I ask for questions, now I'm giving answers, and I'm simultaneously judging myself, thinking, why are you giving so much gyan? What do you know? Do you feel like that sometimes? Have you ever thought about leaving everything for a while and go on a solo trip? So much, especially this year, I just wanted to like leave. I just wanted to be like, मुझे नहीं करना, मैं जा रही हूँ, खत्म हो जाएगा सब कुछ, दुनिया खत्म. You know, but that's okay. It happens. As much as fun you're having in life, it can happen to you. And sometimes you might want to feel like, even if you're doing your dream job, which I am, sometimes you can be over it and you can be like, नहीं करना, नहीं करना मुझे. Thing with me, and which I found in therapy, by the way, is I don't look for joy anywhere else. I only look for joy in my work. And when you don't get success and when anything doesn't work as per you in terms of your work life, then you're fucked. You're like, like what am I going to do now? I'm going to try and look for more of a, like more things to do, like this, you know. अभी तो इतनी लाइफ में चीज़ें की ही नहीं है तो पता कैसे चलेगा किससे फन आ रहा है किससे नहीं आ रहा है. How did you overcome the idea of entering a new year? Since for me it's frightening. I know it's so like इतना बड़ा हुआ बना देते हैं यार. न्यू ईयर न्यू ईयर न्यू ईयर न्यू ईयर पे ये करना है, न्यू ईयर में ये करना है, ये रेजोल्यूशन वो रेजोल्यूशन. फकिंग न्यू ईयर नहीं हो गया, आईफोन का कैमरा हो गया. बट हाँ, दैट वाज अ गुड जोक. बट हाँ मतलब मैंने ना थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ना बंद कर दिया. मेरे को हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें, लाइक आई सेड देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स आई वांट टू डू दिस ईयर, बट I'm not taking that as resolutions. I'm not putting that pressure on myself कि ये मुझे करना ही करना है. ये सोशल मीडिया ना बहुत बेकार चीज़ होती जा रही है. सब एक दूसरे के ऊपर प्रेशर ही डाले जा रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कोई खुशी नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं लगता कभी कभी कि कोई खुश नहीं है. सबकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. तो फिर हम कर किसके ले रहे हैं ये सब? But that is life. Okay. I think I'm done. मुझे वो याद है जैसे बचपन में गांव में जब गोबर से लीपते हैं ना फ्लोर और दीवारें, एकदम फ्रेश लगता है. ऑनेस्टली मुझे गोबर से कभी स्मेल नहीं आती. वो बचपन से मैं इतना गोबर देखा है लाइफ में कि मेरे को कभी लाइक आई हैव नेवर एसोसिएटेड दैट स्मेल विद लाइक अ बैड स्मेल. आई लाइक आई लव गोबर का स्मेल. लाइक इट ब्रिंग्स सो मच नॉस्टैल्जिया फॉर मी. सो मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. तो जब वो घर लीपते थे गाँव में गोबर से, तो ये मुझे थोड़ी टेक्सचर इसका थोड़ा वैसे ही मुझे लग रहा है. इट्स ब्रिंगिंग मी जॉय. Why am I laughing so much? I'm so amused by myself today. I'm just like क्या कर रही है पागल. Also I'm turning 30 this year. My biological clock is ticking. To which I say, it's ticking well. Look at this. I'm gonna go and have some tea and maybe get back to these at night. But I had so much fun doing this and chatting and with you guys. I think it's a good start to the year, and I'm really happy to have shared some thoughts. बहुत मज़ा आया बकवास करके. But yeah, I'm really happy and very very happy 2022. I hope it really goes well. Also, this is again we are in testing times again, so please घर पे बैठना, घर पे रहना, be safe, don't go out too much, don't go to crowd places, only go out if you have work or something important, and please take care of your loved ones. And I'll see you hopefully next time very very soon, very very soon. I don't want to jinx it, but very very soon. Bye. See you.